Hi all, it is the continuation of the previous video. Coming to the third generation CT scanner. So the third generation CT, it uses the rotate type generations. So where the translation of source within each view will be eliminated by having a fan beam shaped X-ray. So which acquires all the data within each views. So the acquisition mode can be termed as rotate, and as both the X-ray source and the X-ray generators are rotating together. So using a rigid ring, the X-ray tube and the detector can be mounted such that they can rotate around the patient. In third generation CT scan, it takes a few seconds when compared to the second generation CT, where it was in the order of minutes. So again, coming to the third generation, which served as a base of modern CT for several reasons, but mainly the speed of acquisition and mechanical simplicity. So advantages is nothing but it takes shorter scan time, improvement in detector and data acquisition technology, high spatial resolutions, patient dose wireless. Disadvantages are like ring artifacts. It is cost expensive and more scattered radiations due to wide angle field, fan beam. So moving on to the fourth generation CT scanner. So the fourth generation CT is considerably different from the third generation geometry. The X-ray detectors are surrounded throughout the entire circle of the gantry. So the X-ray sources rotates in fourth generation CT and the detector is stationary. So this generation was termed as rotate stationary generation CT scanner. The scan times were similarly less while compared to the third generation, because the detector elements were fully acquired across the patient. So advantages is nothing but it reduces the ring artifact, reduces the motion artifact. Disadvantages are higher patient dose, higher cost, more sensitive to scattered radiation while compared to the third generation. Moving on to the fifth generation CT scanner. The fifth generation CT scanner is also known as electron beam tomography. It is a specialized system which developed in the later 90s for ultra fast scanning, high resolution and cardiac imaging. Unlike traditional scanners, electron beam computed tomography is also a stationary type CT scanner which uses a deflected electron beam rather than a rotating X-ray tube to acquire images as little as 50 to 20 250 ms while minimizing the motion artifacts. Advantages is nothing but a faster acquisition. It reduces the scanning timing. High resolution images were acquired, ultra thin slices, lesser contrast agents. Disadvantages are nothing but higher radiation dose, higher cost and data overload. Moving on to the sixth generation, which is also called as helical or spiral CT scanners. A helical CT scanner is an advanced imaging device which uses slip ring technology to continuously rotate the X-ray tube and detector across the patient, which moves simultaneously throughout the gantry, like how it is shown in the images. So this technique, it creates a continuous helical shaped data set, enabling rapid high resolution three-dimensional volumetric imaging in a single breath hold. Advantages are faster scan time, continuous acquisition of data, allows scanning in single breath hold. It eliminates the need for cables. It reduces geometrical artifacts that are caused by patient movement, improves image resolution. Moving on to the multi-detector CT scanner. Multi-detector CT scanner are also known as multi-slice CT, multi-detector row CT or multi-section CT. It is an advanced form of computed tomography which uses multiple row of detectors arranged along the z-axis across the patient's longitudinal direction. So it acquires several slices of data simultaneously during each gantry rotation. So this technology, it transforms the CT from primarily 2D cross-sectional tool into a true volumetric 3D imaging modality, which enables a faster scans, thinner slices and superior multiplanar reconstruction. It is also known as the seventh generation of CT scanner. Moving on to the dual source CT. Dual source CT, which uses two X-ray tubes and two detectors at a 90-degree angle on the gantry, which allows faster, higher quality scans with low radiation and contrast material, especially for challenging areas as like scanning of the heart or by acquiring data simultaneously from two perspectives. Dual source CT were used. This technology, it enables unique features like rapid cardiac imaging and higher heart rates and material decomposition, which provides detailed insights for diagnosing various conditions. Dual energy CT. It consists of a single X-ray tube. But it produces different photon energy by using technique of kilovoltage switching and different filters. These tubes generate both powerful and less powerful X-rays. In a dual energy CT scanner, two pictures are taken simultaneously of the same space at different energies. So high energy scans are obtained at 120 to 140 kbp and low energy scans are obtained at 80 to 100 kbp. So it produces better imaging of blood vessels, and the images of with or without contrast media can be obtained in a single examination image. Thank you.